Ibwega sana kairi mulithire wa Meru TV rukiri rungi twina mbere kwa tukirikana kiri mubango yo wetu nyuma ya kuritha ndero cha Meru TV nyuma ya kumurika marama kwendenia mangatheti twina mbere kwa tukiwatanagira kairi kego tukaina mbere kwa tukiranagiria muno ntugo chionde cha Jumatano atu na mbere kwa tukiragiria mantu makone na kithomo mantu makone na buratu tu tubatire kwina mbere kwa twikaraga na twina mutaramu wetu agao kairi rukiriru tungire Madam Faith ora tukaina mbere kwa tukiranagiria nwena kaina mbere kwegwa gitwa ya kirira kingi sana kire mantu matu kaina mbere kwa tukiragiria muthenya wa emonde mantu makonenie na ku make decision gutwetwa regima gutwetwa regima ibutukadwara rukiro emde karibu sana madam habari rukiri.
Hi.
Okay, karibu sana.
Thank you.
How have you been?
Good. Bwega sana. Mutegeri no ntubwe gitaringi.
Yes.
Bwega no ntubwocho agitiwa karandi wa tudikera. Bwega sana.
Bwega sana.
Yeah.
Asante, karibu sana madam. Kianga tukaina habari kwa tukiranagiria and you are looking good as always.
Thank you.
Karibu.
You too.
Thank you. Tuina habari kwa tukiwatanagira. Kwithira tukwina mbere mambere ruthethongera kinyakiro ari rwetu wa rukirwe mundi ndeni angatheti ye mundi kuona kwina mantu maingi sana makona achiari bageishia experiences ciao muno kagitania ka no kumenya ile achiari baingi bairete na bawo chukuru ke kagita kambere kagita kage to yata wana sari tukumenya ino bamita gata but pre group kagita kambere buru na achiari baingi bamwe bethe to batakumenya ndi what to do batukumenya bwaba karena na bonontu buraba menyereti ukarana na bawo muji raino bakuthi chukuru timu ba ukara I don't know woba kwera achiari ata muno kagitania kababa ingi bairete na bawo chukuru na kirimo cheri tororo turithite rukirwe munde.
Okay, Muchiari Meru TV mpendo kwera kwikia mwana skuru the first time kutethero kwinto easy na onto Muchiari burari na attachment na mwana ore oku uratinda mwambuga kana uratinda ukimwona kana ukimuringa irathimo no twana twetu thea digital kwa una ndi twiringa video call ndaugire kairi ukagatega na ndi ukuga ikianjare ni cia mtungi bwa mbere mambere aciari the first thing you need to do ikorombera mwanuku pera muciari no mwanka urekire mwanuku njara rukiri barabethera bamamia na bagita skuru no ntobe na banti po bathuranirana that is very wrong mbuga sometimes nyedra twina maisha very hard ndawire we are going to do everything mwana ore oku akiumara nja no muromberete mwana woku ukimurelease omurelease na baraka iriko me atwera wa Bible bless your children and they will stand blessed kwa unande mbere muciari gintu kia mbere ikorombera mwanuku ukarombera environment inerea etete unindo mairana bakwa favor baraba ize favor bibilia ne favor ikwenderwa mwanetherwo akiendairwo imutore okuthambia mwanenderwo imurugi mwanenderwo imwarimu mwanenderwo nyitwana turia tungi nona gwitwana twitherwa tukarite wendo ni wona kekara kithingata waitwana tungi kumbira aciari no mwanka or release favor to your child. Kwa una ndipo ambere magintu kiria gimbeja confidence imbarombere au angi unatia Mungu kintu kingi no mwanka withiro wina relationship na mwarimu na skuru mbira antu kwibwo wigawa mtu mwana akuthirie 3 months atije mwarimu uretawa atina na mbewe in case of anything who do you contact kwa una ndindo mwanka withiro wina relationship very strong na nara wikidie mwana ntuku ngindona something very disturbing ikirike mtandao wa Facebook kana geterega ikwa daycare please antu barabe na daycare ukeza kuthuru tina time na nabantu tia kuzuke kirumi atia rekana na mbeca muntu awe na daycare mwana muntu akaura for 3 hours in the compound kana kanini not mwana less than 1 year feminist aku au mara skuru eta karungu ka kirori imagine kwira wari mweri oromberete mwano kwinya murungu netherwe na kiao no ntundate scenario renko ni murungu twigirwe kiao ndere batumbere ya rumya rodire ategera rungu menya you don't know ibie mu compile mbwe maromba zara za kuja rukiri ona kamuntu kerunguru atairi andu barabe na daycare nambira mtu ikia mwana daycare karokiringa thimu ni shukuru ira na bakwa bathoma I have a child in repose I have a child at Bible Baptist no mwanga kare na constant communication no ntwari mubara sometimes imo pena ma stress yo jatwe najo ukorirwa acoke na ndei kirwe tantrums tia twana tuna ndito ikia thai tia kana gaku ku wakiza kwa compost na kwenda a lot of support and love sometimes nyarire witoka gurira mwarimu shaite ko kumonga ko kumu appreciate na share ba make it an habit to appreciate and wari otigairana baku niki it's not easy kwambere mamuntu kumdoma mwana kuja na nditu rikiana nyabati kwa skuru mwarimu akare erewe mwana orira kuwa warenda u rira kuwa warenda u kuno munga mwarimu redire they are taking their time no menye in the turmoil of this life that is very hard nyabo ibakwigwa remwe be overwhelmed na ndio thuro tiringaire nyamwarimu thimu utemenyote na mbewe mwana inyarire azitwe atiji to contact kwa aciari no monga twithiro twe at the forefront ko support hari mubara tugwikiriana beto especially ana ba kindergarten ka bawo kwaririe ba pre group they are very very hard to deal with no nto mwana amenyerete environment different amenyerete cartoon amenyerete ofumantu twawe na nderere ana mwana ndere aciari mwana munini mu introduce ke library library atia ageta ari amenye gukara wande na ntu ibakira nenya thiro ati kumenya anything interaction ni ira mwana therwe ni ona mauku ni mweza another sense of preparations in the mind don't tunamenya I'm going to the next step next step we ga karate families kuna ndimbere aciari we have to be responsible the responsibility ndogirete guikiana these places that ukaigwa mtu akiwa which is the best place guikiana bakwa this weekend the best place I'll advise you is the library library kwena toys library kwena those coloring things library kwena cartoon but cartoons that are educative na rira library they are being guided pakiona cartoon kare they are being asked questions oh no urione didi atea would you want to be like that person kuna ndi mwana kalan composer at an early age na ndimpe nkarinjia ari mubeto bara tuikiriana this morning na we are praying for you don't it is not easy musiari uri release kana kara kerira arokere you know it hurts it is emotional shoka anja to you know kanelera ni office ne with it some of us get distracted like me this morning there murungu she is yours you know and I'm hand over she's yours ko murungu no wizi uri aka deal na we in that environment but barabatize kuromba it's very unfortunate
Wega sana ngetiya muchiari wo ira mwana wa kuchukuru kagita kambere buru kwegwe nontu then ngathiti kuririkana achiari bengi beno bwaya muno gutiganirana nontu bamuba itakao kona muchiari na kwenda lakini ati kwenda nontu nakomaka mwana oyo kweri akara itho bwega mwana oyo kweri aga you know aga akaudumwa bwega mwana ona thikulingwa ibarabange nomba ku guchoka mugurarangie nomba kuthia kaura akaorokera nagu you know makamara medere to makiara gibu sana ni bamwe bachiari baraba dere to baisha experiences chiao kagita kabere to bakira anabawo chukuru
mbere aciari kaire stage we maisha unfortunately it is a mass process but inkwero those fears because kendera kwe mtungi utora ya fear yoni mwana kwa thoma very close to my home na riria ndizari I'm so uncomfortable indikaire nyethirwa no kurira nethirwa no kurira sometimes I go to an extra mile nkera auntie undi utegere mwano you know riria skuru ekona parents are very keen with their children inyabo bagati an extra effort.
Yes.
Not in a bad way. But mwarimu rimwe na kwithirwa twana tuitu mwingirire tunde itukurira tunde na kugerio tukiria lakini ona an extra help irio kuga it is going to make everyone else life easier. Na mbere antu ndauga there is nothing you can do. But kwe gintu kimo very important tutithithaia cukuru iria wikitie mwanuku no tekirinya time kumwikia before. No ntu mwana enda gwita an environment they are used to. Ukeja kwithuru ikumbika play group, you know they are not doing so much. They are just learning the basic skills. Ndaugire itana mwana gukala kugwata those crimes. Ndauga twina maukujo otethia mwana kumenya gukala kugwata karamu to develop their motor muscles. Ndauga we muciari gurira mwana gauku kau ena 2.5. Umwitane okaranthi aga scramble tu, you don't care what they are doing lakini muscles ile itiwita ngugi kuna ndi mwana etherwe na easy time about environment ile wikitie mwana even in a Sunday there nwije mwana get a school next term. Most of those schools they have churches. Ikia mwana gwite kanise ne onyethera ti worshiper ucoke na ndi wambirio muonerie that environment will be in your new home the next, you know, in a short while. Kuna ndi mwana riro mwikie skuru they are not going to be stranded. Na muntu uga anga mwana kwa batitu kuraja skuru we kuraja muciari committed atumba kwaga time inya 3 times wikia mwana in that environment the moete nyoka mu introduce kiriana just inya ki mwarimu inaguru kwa mwira mwana okwari ngakuretera next time mwarimu uri akamiria connection na mwana that time arafu rero jukirie contact ya mwarimu ukamuringa ira thimurire we free no kurikana mwendo akeja skuru nkurikana na tena ndi tukaibanga that teacher will advise you mugurire to colors mugurire crayons you know na ndi bwambirire relationship mwana ore to some extent ambirie kujuka yethi mwaka ringira mwarimu alo tukurikana ngeja skuru you know now they have already become friends they have created a bond you know lakini rira witire tiga mwana it is very hard. Lakini wize na haria kioro kiri inya we mutiari kinya nkori atiari bamwe na aro wize kioro kiana benu rege kari ekire you see no mwanka udro kimenya the environment weto ukathiura thiuru ko gatega bioro bya mwana uko inyokera administration ai kioro kiuri ana bomba kugwaku you know if you're not taking time it is very hard. Ndoka igwana kwe mutarojo twire ojo roje mwana na aragwiro uti muciari ojo ona you know no ndubo kwithira skuru mbuga they are not able to do 1 2 3 what is the community doing no ndukethera mutarojo ro yujonerwa na aciari pauga mbere ana batonya ko mutarojo ethera butithika tuteretana you know you're making people take responsibility uko gwa bioro bire no mwanka bikundikirwe no ntuti kuimagine kana kaya gaku kamenyeretie poti egukarira na takageta kioro kiu and the baby who needs help kwa unandi how do you transition your kid to that new environment? Some of us tuikiriana skuru na poti you know mwarimu oro gatinda mwana are you making their life easier no wikia mwana ntobira bikwendekana muga changing clothes in case mwana is well you know they need to change kwa unande asiari bara pwetabo kata mwana ugakia mwana ndekia atina inye idio kana kanini commands kambiria kwewa mungao you know so now asiari nyethra their hard times. There are small things you can do for your child and make their life easier. No ntu mwana orerire umire nyomba na stress. Etati di mana stress ingi. Owa gatinda korera. Lakini utegeana bariongete skuru, bamenya mwarimu, bamenya skuru yetu kwena tusungura. They are so eager to go to school. You know, ibaize I have a playmate. Ibaize, you know, Anna they are very intelligent. Kumbere muciari are we doing our part?
Wetia muchina kwewe na ruthabura akubatiro kemuthia mbere tuthongia kirwa rweturu wa ntwe muthi maybe rirana baba ya muji obatiri kuba engage na activities kari atakano na maybe no guchora na kwina activities no to okethera mwana kuma chukuru akuthiaraga TV ogoro cartoons bando no wikiro wairara ona garira tirare ku chukuru cartoons bando iliona na kuiro cartoon ni aka watch na activities ile ku mwana batiri kwigwa aki engage wanacho kagita karathungira chukuru
nchoke rwariruke muciari ndauga no mwanka witane mwana the new routine new routine atia tukauma cukuru tweja tukathamba the first thing we do tukenda inya anti uria wenjethere na easy time no ndu mwana uria imwana ubando akarira na kurirwa itoro na kurirwa iminoga na ndi na kurirwa mantu atiramenyeretie how do you make it easy inyake anti ya muciari itana mwana ku routine mama ukitoka shule unaoga mikono ukioga mikono unaketi unakula something alafu unaoga alafu mnafanya homework sasa unaweza lala no mwanka witane mwana routine na aciari bamwe no ntumbire aciari wa the ones to batu twakurirwe na routine ukauma cukuru ugaitana weza ugachwa nko kwe ungi ukagireria ungi na kuthambia into you know twakura tukimenya ndina routine kuna ndi twakinyana ari anjoti kumanga na ndi mwana orire ize the first thing that kinyanja I wash my hands bakinya betete to the sink kana ara bathambaira na kuthamba ngara kana ntu na kwenda karandi na katuni neria katuni ne wathiria kuria what is the next thing you do ugeta mbuga bukathamba mwana ora kuringana ora atindete ochetha but in so much energy kuna ndi wethuru wina umukirietirite an environment that is conducive akeza akathithia mantu jo zonthe na akamama kuna ndi mwana riria mami they ibakonoka mathuganio mwiri na inyagi ukira na ndi agiukira changamki nontu akungin some energy kuna ndino mwanka muciari uitane mwana routine routine after no kuthithia homework na yitwe na ndiruga tunafanya homework kombo na kana gako tunafanya homework akarande na akajukia mauku jawe yako thura ni ntobyawe no uri ugaitana mwana na ndi antu batu kuga mbitere ngugine 6:30 kwa gutigire mwana ku entirely uri umumenyaira
banti bawo
uri umumenyaira how is their schedule no kumenyera mwana no kuruga no kathambia kendo kiza 7:30 those of us no tubamwe uri mangugire and you rush to the house muwote thi antinya kuthambia nyumba kana kuruga kana kuthithia something you go sit somewhere wena mantu yaku jare utindite ajo mwana kuno kare thina no mwango choose one thing mbona aciari bamwe bakira anti entire ndotigira mwana ndobia kwandeza nkathambia nyombe kwandeza nkathambia kana nikare uyu no mwanka wonie muntu uri otigite nja some support na some support like me nyakethirwa ndina I have to iron my baby's clothes ikyo no turiro kuringa basi no kona kibungo ikira umire ngwene kwenda otumo ariro thitherwa mantu jonde you never know anything ugatirima na mwana kwekirwe pool ne kiefindire na teka ite nyomba who is the parent is it the house girl or you kuno mwanka aciari nkaizist no ntonini unda akurirwe my dad agitega each and everything kiratu kithiri kigaiko kwa mubundi you know ngone tumuki so those responsibilities utweto gatigira na rimwe in this life no mwanko allow yourself kunoga unfortunately mwana ora rero umirenjareni ciaku irio na ndi wamba iria go crave ko batekira kia na umire au au ne umire no tamuonia that care na ndi mwoguco ambesa you know to besa tukwamire kungana you have some free time ukageria kwira mwana kuma nto agutega no to you are not used to that kuna ndi mbere acia tumithangiko tuitwa a very short time ukona ana riria bakinya grade 3 grade 4 nyethoro kairo mwikirangu arendo chikira wengwa ngu no to now they are learning the independence wena kana kamwe utakaere time kakwa independent mom you can't do that I do it myself mom you didn't pack my bag nicely mom you did washuri where did I go wrong utamenyera ore apaka bag you're not there utamenyere you know utetania na bo step by step kenda rira na ndiba kauma njarene ciaku ko you know gwe kunoka ko I did my part lakini tuciethaira riro kwenda ku do your part it's all late
na rikiria that part
na umire au rira kwenda you're not there.
Yes,
kuna ndi sometimes we can do without so much sleep.
Wow.
We can do without so much leisure. Kweta kuthithia acore nini angai twitite team building like the other mother ndaigitu akiuga my daughter is 7 months inkwenda gweta team building. Are you serious? Mwana ora riro mutigire 5 days one thing weza ate onkakairi inyoke thuro menyeretie kumu express radio kuna ndi okay kuri andu tugwata wa postpartum depression mantu iza mainge feminist lakini with Ruizi everything is for a season utiza tekuruka
yes
wera wote thina embi hemeri kuna ndi when you needed musiari tangika noga is for a short time ukeza mwana netre boarding wakarande nyomba utina inyare kuruga utikwenda kuthithia anything you know you have so much energy but you can't do anything kabono gethai in that time inyoka rande uga naru ankanyoga chai na mame you're just a happy parent lakini ndiro kona anga ndingi kuthithia anga ntamenyero ra gwetire anga ndeijura boka ukaira ndizi mwana ba mama atana auntie seriously asiari panande Gen Z they have become parents 90%. Kwa musiari tuwe parent Gen Z na mwana oe. So it's even harder. But now,
yes,
Murungu agakwa grace. No, utimandu jatura. Mwana ore they may pick their lives. Maybe they made a mistake, one mistake in their lives. Katu edhiro musiari na that flexibility. My daughter learned from that mistake. Come my son, I've learned. Kuna ndirio ku ukujukia mwana okuo mukunekira na ero mwana etete form 1 omugwatira mwana eta skuru ukathugania they are so comfortable nonto she's a mother now and she's a student na inyoke thro we muthithairie everything there is that feeling of I graduated not is nature kuna ndi the support system musiari no mwanga to provide kinywe thuro gutigwatanaira na mwana kumbira musiari shwira mwana kumucore mwekuru mucore okure mwana kwathikaira no nturi mwembiga like my daughters when they are so rude and I tell them I'm going to call your brother muntu akarande no kona they are just afraid of that call and it is their brother no they wakabera he's going to ask them why are you give mommy hard time Then okera mwana, you know your brother was not so sad when your sister was doing things. Mwana akona, okay, aja, I need to let my little sister grow like me. No mwanko kare ukimweja example. Lakini ethira mwana ore munene, they're even worse than baba nini. You know, grace ya Murungu ni kuendekana kurera ana banandi. No to them, everything they know. Uteuba kwenda komenya, and they are right. They have their rights. Mwana ariwe nyandomba gwita gwa cibunga uga nuraregero mbitira school fees. Na inya kuria nyombe ithina. How do you deal with that child? Mu introduce to your friends.
Yes.
Asiari bangi babega kanisene. Give them some time. On Saturday ukarelease mwana itabugwa Kimathi. You know ibwaritia Kimathi. They are going to have a conversation. Kuna ndi asiari bara like we are doing single parenthood. No mwanka mwana ethirwe na gitugi. Na most of them choose batu asiari za itugi biao. Ikiona nandi mwana mwari ena ashore bangi worse than Niki nonto musiari owe ouwate muizi na ati recognize. But kwe mtungi wara ya mbuga jozo mukuru. You know then if that is the case, make sure jojo mukuru is more accessible. No ntuno choka na ile mwana uriku. Bakarandi bakari ya mwira mami o couldn't become what she is doing what you're doing. Na arena these things na dide ko mwana akona at least nyetha ndi kuthikira mami na ana ibendete guka muno na endea their grandparents no to what to favor to ndeta kwa juju neta keza gantu you know that love create a relationship no mwangu create mwana ku relationship na araga ita advice when they need them
yes
na ndio kabatigira ndi guru ibaitana
wow bwega sana ngutigia muchiari kwina mbere kwa kigegwe na ibwa runtu kaingi withagira antu betu kana bantu baba kunenkerwa majukumu mwana monde okethera no kumenya mwana india kare yani muchiari nya itoe anti nundu ari yotu akaya mwana narudire kero nakaerezera tu mwana mamire akero mwana najire narudire mwana navire kumama roro kire mwana kichukuru ina na mami kana ethe you know bakara kinyere mo kimyo kona mtu ationete kinya mwana wake na hari nyombe no kwengwitigia muchiari wowe na tabia teno kwina mbere ko kebigagiro no madam Faith tukiaragire mantu ma kurutha decision kana gutuetua arirari gima yani healthy decision making eritu kwariria gutuetua kana kurutha decision imbi mtu abatiri kwa kiraitha kagita kara akurutha decision
kiuria kiwi very hard nonto twitherwa twina personal characters twina different mindsets twitherwa twina different in so many ways kwa woni ora make a decisions still feminaz make decisions
okay
only I make my own decisions feminaz queen decision yi mwaka make ndamwira ora akathithia that means he has to consult me on some issues kwe mandu athithaia wengo kwijoja mumaira atwa counselor that is very good but unimbera antu I was thinking nikimpendete kuthoma maukuja you know maukuja za andikine antu successful you could riuga an enemy called average average atondisainda kwa average yani unfortunately this school ndera watu andika irwara you are an average student kana you are above average kana you are whatever you are it starts there mbere arimu ndiraugire goro ndikwiro the topic of today ndawa words have power
okay
words they have a lot of power na ikyo Biblia yuga ureo tumaira rume your tongue. You can use your tongue to bless you or to curse you. You can use your tongue to live or to die. Niki, it is in your tongue. Mantu jara jonde to diva ya chauma mind chakeza romene okajawa. Wera wa mantu jara nkome tije itombo tumira. Etije atia non tutera tabuka. Kwa hivyo je kamba jetwe. Ukarega kuuga na muromo ukaandi na that feeling in the mind inaishianga hapo. I don't think if people know that ukaiwa uninte kuigwa boya gokawa in your mind ukera in your mind in the mighty name of Jesus sickness is not my portion you know utira tamuka ngomete manya you're almost getting sick
ala.
So the devil doesn't know what we have not spoken. Nairo kwevero kwina arombi they know the power of praying in tongues. Niki, the devil doesn't understand the language of the tongues.
Okay.
Mbere mutegeri when you're making a bold decision. No, some decisions are very bold. Mbere mano mwanko karendi na wowe. Kwi mandu mbaraidia about alone self. Igitariri ukarinde wenka. Ukienda ku end that marriage. Nontu inyo through marriage ukwenda ku end. Wamba kuria ba feminist, ukairia asiari, ukainvolve kanisa, but who has the decision? You.
True.
Na most of the people bakwera atiri, this is what I think. Antu barabega bakwera, but the decisions lies with you. Niki, decision you can make in consequences. Every decision. Didio kwenda kwambiria biashara. It is you who can say, I have to. No matter how times are. Ni antu bangana thai antu ba biashara tukurira. They are doing millions in business. Not that we have made bad decisions, but maybe their decisions were timely.
Okay.
Kuna nde uone muntu arambiridie bookshop. Ambirie bookshop December. You know how people shopped for books? Kwa utokirira ena millions kadhaa accountini. The time was timely. It was timely.
Okay.
Kuna some decisions when you are making a decision. Inyoke ethirwa ndiraringiro munderwa I have a program. I have to make the decision if I will be available or not.
Exactly.
Who did I consult? Me.
You yourself.
Kuna nde antu barea uconsult 20 people before you make a decision. You agree with me. 90% of the decisions you've made have backfired. You didn't consult you. No, do you go with the consequences of a decision? Muntu agakwairia feminist akwira wa ire neiro wira wa share your dream with a small mind. Ikugatea otirimana na nyombire unindenda kwamberia stundie kwa unize mbize feminist mbwenye imuje financially. You know feminist no wizi ne ate akinyete to that point inaga itambesha, or maybe he is believing that somehow I'll get money. When you start a studio, this is what is going to happen. Even ours is not doing well. Impambere nandi ku impose things on you. Even ours is not doing well. How are you intending to make money? Who tells you everything about money making? We want to decide how do it to serve humanity. Go about making a decision. Bere mutegeria igwe ugakarandi na murungu oku. Mwathani unitwa kinyana na anti kuona je kampumba, you know. Then there is that voice kaumagi subconscious mind kakwire what to do. Most of the things to the kaira ka voice kawire uiga wa mutumiria akiuga murungu arambirire. Kana muntu ekwira I had a dream. I dreamt being on a flight. Hai utine nya passport te muntu wenu atonya ndege. So you've started showing them it's not possible. Kambari arimu. Arimu ugatega mwana muntu umwira a word that is going to cripple their lives. Kwenu othoma nkyono ntukugwata zero. That is a very negative statement. Okera mwana muntu kwenu othoma ende nkuona wowe you're going somewhere. Mwana those words, they are seeds planted in their heart and mind. Ambidie ku believe in small things. Tike mwarimu ambiriro because akambidie kuona the possibilities of me becoming. No muntu utenda kwa famwa. Nya unindira ye pending ka body, how was it? No, everybody inya wo. Nora ye at some point, how am I doing? Inya ntuba biashara. Ibora na ye in their small circle. Uriona mpenderete ata. That means we all need to be affirmed. Kuna ndirire otirimana mwana omuntu. Ndimbona mtu ezete where I stay in town. Kambira I need kana inya just a small gesture. Enya mwana ore ogukwenderia sai. Where you look smart today. Those words you are planting them. Mwana ore nyethera ku make it a decision. Tutariwa for the last 5 months. Today is my last day in this job. They're going to think. Na nikitoka hapa. So what am I saying? Our decisions are just they have so many determinant factors. Kuna ndi mbuge bwa mbere mama arimu no ntoni kwe onto ndi primary. If I didn't have a supportive family, it would have crippled me by my teacher. You know, mwarimu agutego a very small innocent girl akwere you look like you're pregnant. Seriously, have never seen a man in my life. I don't know what is pregnancy. Na igitare tutwathugana inya mwana ka omenya kunywa cai ukagia mimba. Then someone tells you look like you're pregnant. What is that? Mwarimu riro kwira mwana mtu something, ask yourself. Mwana kwake eza kwiro. No ntundawa words have consequences. Tumira your words kindly. Na rimwe to mold away those small words, especially anabeto. Kwa ukamenya iria kwira mwana, ugwere inyante kuona je ko gakinya form 4 atekinya. No ntuno ambiririo confess. So ko uitere mind oreta na kanywa. Nkomara ndi kuona bio tumira. And that's how we are fought. Kwire mwana uni kuringana ora wititendo na je ko gakaraza ababu nebe imurebi. What are you telling your son?
Nokumwira atuike murebi.
Ko mwira atuike murebi. Lakini ririo mwirire urukiririe twenere anjisu utikaraza ababu. My son, I'm seeing my helper. Rukiri kuona nkona mutethio kwa.
Yes.
Mwana ore agita akiura ya nate mami akuga. Aikinya skuru tumandu turi akubangite tumwe twaginya. No to the words itimuchenjiri. Can we learn to use our hands, our words to bless rather than to curse? Dira tuina munene wetu akadio ni wagakara. Can we start confessing good things about people's lives? Na mirianto ngweti kwa read decision. When you're making decision, stop consulting people. Can you consult your God? And you. No to inyokero ifeminasi atia. Urangu giwe kabwa. And that job is not in your heart. Itebwa. Well, if you're making that decision, I want to start a business. Wambere no tegete, how do successful people, businesses behaves? The people that handle these businesses, how do they behave? No mwanko didi gantu get our research. Umenye unire. Nare mbitite kwendira to gotina irato ana bo bateka ire irato buru kwe muntu okori akori urona na gwikira irato na ndo go wetite gwikira irato na guteka irwa na kwe wongi ugakwira that is the best place no ntu bakambiria gwikira mbi. Those are two different opinions. No mwako consult Murungu when making even the smallest decisions, including inangaikia mwana kwa shukuru. It's something you need to consult God. Kwina so many things happening. Ndegwa musiari akiwa ndireitire mwana kwa private ndamuikia public school.
Yes.
And you're asking people, how am I supposed to feel? Seriously? Some decisions are personal. Some decisions are personal. Na ndirerere antu mwaka jo my theme is let them. Do not let them is not just let them. It's very strong. Nguita mwana kwa kinorunda muikia katembe. But my neighbors bakadia ibaradirero imbesa let them. Ashore bakwa they are going to discuss me. Let them. Turi ofisi ne turerwa tukero. Let people talk. But the decision lies in you. How do I feel about what Femina said? Every day we make decisions. How do I appear in the job the next morning? He was right or wrong, but what am I supposed to feel? If you're giving that job your best, sure, even the next day, more beautiful and more proudly. I would tell her, am I being fair? But when we let ourselves be consumed, no to tirianto batearia, or bakadia, wadoka bakadia, if you're in average bakadia, live your life. Live your life. Kwe arimo they are doing so well. Ukaru ne arimo bangi. You know when kwenderwa inyanyo mbaito kuona when you have two people working for you, you want to outshine the other, and after you outshine, boba tekona there is a reward. But you're giving special treatment. Let them. This is the year of letting things be. Urungamea murungu oku, na nabaku, na family eku. You know these other things are secondary. If people understand what I'm saying. Everything else is secondary from your family. If it's working or not, secondary. kuna ndinde kirangwira mbikirite na arumije feminaza agantega mugabo thuku. Fortunately feminine is a man, is his beauty. But even these other women we have him tombo gutega, you know, they just dislike you. Let them. The decisions you make narua iriga affect your life. Make them solo. You know, you consult, but at the end of the day, the maker of the decision iugwe. Urioka inyanga akwira feminaz tithia nkethiro thithitie the opposite nguri feminaz nyate tugire umbire uni ndonere atiri, you know, now you sat down with yourself no ndathithia uria madam Faithia kuga nkuthira. So you made another decision to be you, and that's the best decision you can make, to be you. If they talk or not, I'll be me. If they say I will be me, because I've learned the theory of letting people be.
Wow. So, madam, takogo tuira ekagita kara maybe mtu ako make decision na karendi wengwa ebite kamuchemanio na nebori mawaithe wengwa menyenda kurilai muno na antu barabu muthiurukirite mimbi chore nuntu withagari muntu akibango ntu bwake na kwenda kugura nkari na uriria chore nkwenda kugura nkari kana ngure bikibiki kana ngure kamunda. What do you think? You know, ukethira rimwe kinyakire decision iroko uri bamwe bagirwe nai ngire mantu maroko uri na wathukia mantu kurukinya bura maukari.
Unfortunately, muntu uri okuria thirongure ngari atina inya bikibiki. What makes you feel agaku advice na tiji nothing about cars. Uria barabe na ngari pakwire atiri ngari 1500cc consumer abunga nawo.
Yes.
It is different from kuria muntu uri wize nonto agakwira. Sometimes kambiga wakinya kutheka feminist. Muntu wako, okay, you're consulting because you need to have the information.
Yes.
No one is deciding for you. Muntu ombo kura uni urangu tegete feminist urenda pro box. But in your life,
yes,
in your dream, pro box is the last car you want to buy. I've just used an example. No ntoni nkwenda pro box na aronde muremi. Nkwende nkamataira mbudi na yankubite mundene into bya kwankadaza. You know, when I come to town nimesotika.
Yes.
But then kwira ati kuringa na orango tegete ogo kawiro vix. Na mind ye kuna hati kuna desire kuisubaru. What have I done to you? Go plant the seeds of doubt. Go plant the seeds of doubt. Na rimunya twira wa tithia mantu antubone. Teka kubera ore kwenda kuthithia. Nonto in this world there are so many powers.
Yeah.
Kuna good powers and bad powers. Kuna good energy and bad energy.
Yes.
Kurira wizire ombera ndenda kugura unless and to very few they are not threatened by our friend's success because I'm successful in my own way. Not that I have a car,
yes,
but I use a car every day. Not that I have a home, but you know, those people are different.
Yes.
Nyombere ngukara self compound, uwe wizi ankomborete. Lakini yotizi every month ya mereaga. After 10 years it will be my house. Kuna ndio uwe kirioro ruga unimba kete nyomba indi feminazi ka komborete. I don't know. Kuna ndi about making decisions. Utumba kwithiro ukienda kundecide untoborea odia muntorea. No mwagote nokuri including your friends.
Yes.
Kaba inyoge to karinga kwa CEO fulani.
Yes.
Ukamwira muntu utekwize nothing. You know they will not judge you because they don't know. Ngurukia weta wera muntu ura araigirwe bukero amwe kurotuku utereza nedia na arwa uninde nangirigana na bitite kugura bikibiki. Ito utemegura.
Ako discourage.
Butarire idio tukwindirigirwe gwite toko. We nangirigana eti no kwenda kugurambi.
Utiambe uri nyaka ngombe keria.
My friend.
Bantu thetageru eria utigureka ngombe keria.
Decisions. Na most of the life we are living and to the most unhappy people ibara boragia what do I do para batora borete antu ndidiate urionate no to most of the things that we advised upon are wrong tururia advices from wrong places. Consult your God. Mwathani ndina ngirie gana cia kugura bikibiki na naruo tutire atweinya ya kurara u no ndaitangirie gana i siringi 50 cia kugura mutu.
Yes,
nteona no kera na babu tutiruga nyakwari samukia marigo na izo tukarea nani rojo tutakuwa na pikipiki yetu ana yaba kama mama waterete because they are already filled with the expectations. Kuno consult. Those men bate consult kurubao. Tikwenda kudia mama. Tikwenda nya mama amenya. Uraiwa Biblia ne tukiro we are the carrier of your blessings. Niki Biblia yuga whoever finds a wife finds a good thing. Yeah. Uratiudia niki Ogo na boyfriend you trusted no wizi nyami undere ogurete okwe na arua ageta ati jinto bire bionde na mwekuro kwati within and you worked so hard.
Yeah.
No ntuta karande wira ngino kirimi ndo agurire kamunda ndina kamunda. Atugeta kuona. Mwekuro eta kwire mukaito agura kamunda ari utebyo tukanda kubibua. Ndajojo tena roje nina anti kuona ura jomba kugiambi ikaba twete tugure nyaka nini indike nambi you have found a good thing take a kuruba change your vision. Yes. Because your vision belongs to you but they can change a mistake that would have costed you. Kuru we pray for our husbands say theraputizi tunaombeanga jameni na iya tuburika iranjara bumami no tijo ngorotete lakini mama ajatumete kuna ndirira witire kuria feminaz.
Yes.
Feminaz nya they don't even wish you well anyway. Pare ndera butura kienini au bukarindi na to kwenda kwambiria gwita bikibikiro kire no mwaka tutirimana yara tuteza matha.
Yes.
Kuna ize ura bikibiki utono kaire kasai kare umuraira ge 10 ni u
otimugura kaire
tafadhali consult your wife nyarega na weta mbere kuthithia ukauga abainderero imama na ndauga twandithie but you see you will have learned one lesson.
Wow, very nice. Ngwetigia ngutukorege na tukithi na mbere kwa tukirikagiria kagita kani kagita karana betu bathiete machukuru barabagirire kigerio gia KCSE mbere tutithungira kire mantu ma decision kiriana bara kwina ana baingi muno batikumenya baba karutha kwi mwana labda watiengirindira atirendete na kuria ndi ntieka yo chokagira thaino kana yo atige yo chokagira na kuria kana maybe achokere kana what to do atikumenya bura karutha na maisha make na kwena kinya muchiari actually tuonie kwena muchiari oragie mwana nundu wako wata D+ actually awata mwana uraga nundu inatwekete disappointment na bichenu yo ndia turite ari national school na yana D+ awata mwana uraga ntikumenya some of the cases tubati kwewe tuichi handle ata kinya etari mantu ma decision muno tubati ku handle mantu mamwata ndimo mantu marama gutugwira na uritobone ne sana ntu to ndi mwana toyo muchina rai na wirigiro bone ne sana no na rai mwana oyo akaina mbere kwewe ake watangire ndie mbega na labda achenchie udhiogo family yake labda mwana oyo no na rai na expectations chiake nka watangire ndie mbega ndo the cause mbega mbendere no but mantu makugaruka mantu maukarabwa mati abangire tokara mantu tama toka mahandula ta toka madhukia na njere kariata
mbere mambere musiari mwana skuru ne thairwe na matarajio ja grindire ombikia kugwata kuyana bangi ba waka so hard they work so hard but kigerio kiuma they have performed contrary to the expectation. Mwana uyu arenda bwa mbere mawe musiari umu appreciate ibangana baterere form 1
bangi mo
my son you fought a good fight you finished the race kudiria certificate MBA form 4 as a parent I appreciate nontu tandetere kana for example nontu toranire uranda kashe bikibiki maybe they are involving themselves in very bad things nontu nuetano ukachokanja nurandi maira mundu ukithoma menyana bari muinya twabaere so much responsibilities mwana ari mokuthoma nena capability na kure aciari bamwe baririce ana so much nontu gakuthoma tekana mutuma na kuthithia umwa tekana mutumoka no mutuma batere kumenya ndakinya njanga atwira ngombe na nkathithia kumwaka kenda atikethirwe na some time extra time ekuthithia mantu jateagirite mbere aciari no mwanka withirwo wina conversation ukithairwo wina conversation na untu buu tukiendelea kwariria feminine what conversation are you having with your child nontu mwana ure riria agwire kigerio the first fallback ewe yuwe mwana ethire atina shoulder the best person uro batero mu comfort ukera mwana unire imbize no thomere I don't dispute you worked hard but I'm thinking we should retake this exam tiwambiria kwira mwana indene wina kajujura buratinda buthiurukeni okejai mwire ndironere nurachiumiti na muciari uri okwario undaugire atete nya secondary imbio gwitia mwana gintu tachiu kwa mbere it's a challenge no ndo mwana ombo kuria kurawe baba ri imbio gwatire skuru no ndongwe ndukirite mwana oinda mweku number 1 ku kenda mwana ejo gwikirithia ibo you know mundu omba kuthirwa iward na ikomkuga what's a very powerful mwana ombo kuri tikaba undi baba ndena si wowe nyote ta skuru na ni wote umwatete nyidio mwana rira ntukwiro kambiria gwichokera kandu ikariza mtu kipole pole era mwana atire I appreciate your grade but I know you can do better oni maisa nombera nageta kuthia medical engineering nani nas new nyaga etaita medical engineering bwa mbere ni kituas atakurukite chemistry mathematics to us you know to us atarithiti ura kubaterena nditwambiririe kuria shwari mechanical engineering masabu tupu that is a graduate what I did I said I believe in you kwina so many courses aringi kuga uni mami ndenda gwita ndithie whatever it the simple course lakini kendo otonya my capability is different kurira mwana eja kwira ndina C+ na ndienda kwa daktari but I will start with a diploma I do a diploma in nursing please ukambirio mwira akathithia mwarimu tafadhali the only support omba kwa mwana uko mukorera metho kamwira I believe in you
you can do it
when I look back there were so many reasons ndingi kuregera my son kuthithia medical engineering so many things no ntu isabu to struggle ario munka the last minute you know na ndibeta computer eno enda ategethithie isabu dumete are akinyare
ukarigara
ka challenged ko unande ugatera mwana okumate mbere itikia mwana oku akwire undenda gwita train mpe DJ nya president na uga mwana wenda kwa something narega but right now he regrets ko unande mwana oku a chance to choose kenda make that decision eza kwira unda decide kuma naru andenda kwa murimi bas start support urimi bubwa we nonto akarima na akathome America kuna ndi itikia mwana kubwa mbere ma no mwe the benefit of the doubt na ijuria kuwa niki they have made the decision in themselves kuna ndi ugeto tumira your words kutawanya mwanoku and me I thank my father every day utundu ndamwiri kwenda kuthithia ambira you can't
bionthe akwira
kinya riria ndana mu consult I want to do even the mantu inyati ungi kuimagine kana bantu jamoga witu kuthithia utire ambira uwere ko kura nande hakuna siku ameniambia ambira uni indireri rora bukwenda kuthithia give it your best and that I am who I am nontu ndamenyerie kwikirwa confidence from the source wikirwa inya you can nontu naize don't wizire in your mind obo conceive you can achieve ndugu ingi ndatega my life and I laughed na iro mpendete kwira antu soma hizi vitabu feminist hata kama usomi tukithiriria when I was in college
yes
ndonaga ukamwega kamati somebody kawe excuse me your dreams are calling darombaga ukaundaewa ndakathoma feminist from that time my life took a turn mantu zera jonde zandema I don't know how things became easier mantu zera ntomba ku decide in my life I was able to decide na inyanda atiga ku value certificate ntiuga certificate is not good lakini ndachikira nkorone kwa certificate here it's not my life the life is in me it is in me I'll become whoever I want Wambirema I made a decision utimtu gampandika I'm so sorry no tuindo na antu urabata makite na makaratasi hata certificate zimeishia kwa barabara lakini ungekaa chini ujiambie mimi sitaajiriwa na mtu nitatoka shule ni graduate na nilime ungekuwa unaajiri watu kwa shamba I made a decision hakuna mtu ataniajiri one day I went for an interview Ecobank manager reo I was interviewed ambira we can't employ you we will not be able to pay the power in you that was my wake up call antu bare wona mwana muntu ukona ena better potential kukaba comfort zone disappoint them I was disappointed I have the qualification I can do it but I thank that guy ambire we can't employ you we can't be able to pay you and that was a wake up call I am more than what I thought I am na kuma tuku feminist ni sijawahi enda interview nyingine I've never taken my papers anywhere else because those words, the power of words.
Yes.
Chitere kaya kari ndene ka sprout. And I believe I can be anything. 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 And that's what I'm instilling to my children. Certificate, you need it, but it is not your life. Iwero feminaz nondogo no mei monori, othomere monkana T certificate chiakwa.
Yes.
Lakini certificate is the last thing uweta uwetwa. Till the first thing. The last thing. Mwana ono ntome yothomere na high school St. Mary's. Kaka iwenyewe St. Mary's is not a simple school. Mwana ono edrome boe na bubwa. Ute umende na bu special. It is a believe in me.
Kwebete wewe wangwa.
Ni wana nkamenya decision ni ranko make. It is going to affect my life every day. Every day. Because every time, every second, we are making decisions. Kwa inyanto baraba kuandikana. Mwana muntu akeza wona, hey, this is what I've been looking for. Challenge them. You know, I can't employ you. Yeah? Because you know, you need to employ yourself. It's because you can employ others.
No akaganyani onkuthina mbere kwigua ngithoma tukumenya kana kinyani ngara kana neno kera lakini bwega tukirikiria madam kwina gaturikiria na ana bara bathiite cukuru thakagitania ka labda mwana na watire ngirendie mbere ya kuthi college kwe bangi bathiite ba make a decision che kuthi TVET actually kwina a friend of mine watire B na rigari enda kurutha plumbing.
Yeah.
Kuthi technical institutes of the man plumbing na aliro waro the ango daktari angambia kabera I don't want ndenda kurutha plumbing ruhiri na ndenda kuthi technical institute with my B. So ntikumenya decision kagita gagutara course ni thagura buri onto wo muno nto I remember kagita karanda nkurekie form 4 anto betu mujinderirwe muji wenu no alimu like your family na alimu. My aunt is a head teacher, my aunt yonge a principal, my cousins na alimu, my head teachers alimu ba secondary na bamwe my lecturers, my cousins nderwa family yenu ni alimu. So kathinga tenu rianda yena nje yakuwa ndenda kurotha media kila mtu na aligaraga mwana una kwenda kuthuka, mwana una kwenda kuthongia mantu ni monkoma, mwana uma kwenda kurotha mantu na ndane nkero kinya admission na bina ndarotha mantu mathuku sana nontu ndathie ndagira barwera ndereto ya kurotha walimu na binambi ndawirire ba support kurotha bona ndagendera cyber bantu weta omalimanti wanchambe eta Morris ndawiriria chukwira nkwenda kurotha media ndaendera mami no kumindo dire ndienda kurotha media na ntikwenda kurotha inkwero. My mama ambirire it's okay, rotha ndi nyumi yaku na aguno ndarutie confidence yaku na bichira ndeta we ya media yari bichito tiki imagine etikionekana but mwathani arotha mantu make na ndaigwa nkario ni the waire hard time kaniko tha kwena kagita kaumu sana kagita kurotha decision especially kagita kara mwana arike chukuru arike form 4 muchiari kwena muchiari ya kwenda mwana arotha course ngania te abangania na kwena muchiari ya kwenda mwana atwika ndagitari nontu mujua no manda gitari na mwana nwe wengwa na kwegwa pana ntikwe
imagine ye mutamu
yes ntiku I don't know ana tawa gomba kuberata na labda achiari tababa
tiambambiria mwana nkwere it is your life.
Yes,
you can be a desperate doctor and an amazing teacher. Mantu chauja ku decide who I want to become. Imantu amungu muno na nora inya mukuru ukurite muno kamuria ugore wo akatigara kiuria kiunya kichoka gwate. Apart from kwethro uwe mwarimu by profession,
yes,
ugore wo kana to waita warimu ori ugore wo mbere muciari atiri ukenda kwa mwana kwa hard time nontu in their heart pasionete inya pe muntanto sindano. So they have the passion of being a doctor in them. Lakini ugona ntunje nune warimu utikwenda nya kuigwa kigwetambi mwana ore ageria kugerekania na atomba gwitanana ukarema kuna mbiri frustrations. I want to congratulate that guy when I've been alienda kuthithia plumbing.
Yes,
ngugiria umboti andika. They are the most important, especially in our nation right now. Ngugire uwo umbosi andika no kaandika inyaba feminist.
Yes,
Nontu mwana ore athithia plumbing workshop ire atita wenka agacho antu bo muitaira mbao mundene. You know that is a person who has created a chain of employment to other young people. Mwana kwa kwira arienda kuthithia tailoring. Ui tailoring yura to amethurite lakini na aruari kinyabatireka. I'm sorry to say.
Actually no kweli.
Urikia nguo muntu agutumira omunenkera design akwira design ingiri 10 utafanya nini na uwezi jichonea? Natoa hiyo pesa. Mbere aciari atiri igitarire twavaliwaga white collar jobs. Jena ndi feminazi ekirite anatai ile athirire. Mwana kumu encourage kutuika. Nuntu unless yatuike kira murungu abangite aka desperate. Irio kuigwa daktari by commit suicide.
Yes.
Muni ngoti atiri at what point undecide ako chiurai. Note ko undecide akuma naru ante ta sibitari ukaire na ante tiritianto kaire ndenda gweto chwangu kwa mtu mpandikwe. That's a different choice you've made in life. But it has saved you. At what point on decide enough is enough? No karega kujukia this other path. Let me abandon this. I start doing this. ukawa I want to end my life. It is from those voices. Voices iwi karaikiringa kithira ntaire daktari na ndinya tutikuriwa daktari umara kwenu daktari nyombere ku mithondeke clinic wandika ire antu ndawa. Have you not saved your life? Who told you no mwangone ngero mbeca thirikari na Murungu na akwete the knowledge of treating people ukaya gotirita inyanto betete anjira ei mwana umu kamatete na fever indio urepana no nengera 50.
Imagine.
You live for that. But at what point do you decide unintita na kairende want to die? Mwathani akareka tukinya that point. But there are two decisions, life and death. Daktari ure umage ka kliniki wakaragi antu igana aga survive. Antu aure ogweteregana rai thirikari. Kethira thirikari kurema abandon the government. Ndiye nture nenu bere kuma na aru ari ni tutikure wa thirikari nya kanisene runga mauge. Uni ndi na bills cia kureana kuma na aru ngatirita irantu nyombeko. Ure wizi ndamutiritere abua. Neza igwakwa. Kama wandikira mbi? Basi. You have the certificate, you are profession, you've qualified, but at the end of the day, ukona utumpumba kuthithia nthiguru neka abanga kwa. Very unfortunate. Nuntumbira antu learn to speak for yourself.
Yes.
Inyo karunga manaru kawa onire tuta. You know, you tell the people kinya kansene hu nau ni ukugwita hu nau na ndo tukarete by the grace of God.
Yes.
Ukiumara ukaigwa mtu egura daktari uni by the way ura kuigwa rubaru aure kamure itu negerega
tia mama ngambinda wa mbinga
ngera tu igana riu rigo survive dia nya kuthithia another application in another hospital. But at what point do we feel enough is enough, I need to go? Mwathani ukareka tukinya that part. But uri ukinyete that part, I want to tell you,
yes,
you are more. Kashunki kau ishunkete wona utumba kuma karinyene kau. Imagine kiura kimu kebeni gikwenda kuthungutha. Thungutha na inya monga mukebe jugwe. And you walk free.
Wow. I think ora kwina matua kwebegero murethira wa Meru TV na ndina go matu ora twambanirie no mwanka thainu nethiritwe ena mathugani mangi mwanya na marakuthuganagia na thank you very much Madam Faith and on to bwa gumebu nene actually bura uya gutumta na bwa ndeni ya studio na ingwiti mwathani kaina mbere kwa gutumagira na njira inene nkuruki watogwe thiritwe kina mbere kwigwa agi gutumagira hachiari gatu ina mbere kwigwa tutagutwika na negative mbingi muno no ntwingwitie negativities chichora na cheri pengi kwera mwana otiumba otibua utikara ugakarata bagu ugakarata mbi we no thao angambi ngwetegia ria tukaina mbere kwigwa twitumagira migambo ra yikanyo getu bwega tukaina mbere kwigwa twikaraga bwega migambo maybe amuthie tukirikiria Madam Faith maybe kengo twina mbere kwigwa tukirikiria mubango wetu
mbwe antu kamwisho wira wa muntu akethero ekirite thaa igiri njara atombo kwira ithaingana atege mweri wa ithaithano ingiri wa ithasta ate ucokeri ithaingana no twate sure ikira themu feminazi ithaingana ithaa 10 you are very sure because you can't say. But when you have 2 clocks at your hand, ugatege riwe ithainya itigere ndagika ithano, that is confusion enough. You never make a decision, a good decision, if you're the person who consults everybody. Decision you make wa you personal. Kuma na aru ndenda kurithia nguku na ndina iziri lakini izi feminazi na nkare 10 nkaigura na ngawikithie mwe at the end of the day kethero wina nguku magana you have made a decision. Even when you're consulting, the last person is you. Kwa hiyo wira wa mantu ya muthithia ugo na Murungu oku. Kintu kingi kwi mantu tumba kuthithia utikwira antu. And I'm talking about your family. Antu baraba kuthithia mantu nukira mwekuru. Some of us ibokire nya mwekuru akura ati ona into. Na bwe mameta ndene giko.
Kimwe.
You're not in a healthy relationship. Kwi mantu mundu akuona nya ukona ojo ngeja kugura kagari. Ngudira. Eliminate that person. Mwite maishene jaku. Nundu uka live with fear. Ntikurenya kaguo. Ntikurenya. Live your life. Consult God and consult people that are important in your life. No, make that decision. Commit to it. No, to make a decision when wow the guy will make commit. You'll never make another decision. Why? No, to nyere odiririe tantetherie. Irona ndoka ambaye kudia ba feminazi uroka thithia. Decide one thing, do it, yet fail, umenye why it did not work. But withiro wina kataruga ku kare utonya wengu gaicunka we wenka oni na arware nkeja kwithirwa day faith nte Mrs. Mushemi who am I nkeja kwithirwa anti mother who am I nkeja kwithirwa anti wife who am I know who I am and no one will take that from me because I know it myself. Kuna ndi withiro in that point equagri na Murungu only feminist the 1 2 3 minus my wife minus my children, this is who I am. Kuna ndi guruije kwina so many things, but can we learn to consult the higher power? Thank you.
Well, sana, thank you very much, madam. Thank you. I'm even blessed. Angaroka wala kanisha to support mtikumenya kana chieta wa counseling whatever. And on to you instilling wisdom kiretigo na we thank God for that. Bwega muri wa Meru TV ntiena bonge nonto ndonge ankathokia marabo babona ndaongera bonge gatukaragaragia na ntikwenda kuragaragia ngakwendera tu kagita kega twigwatite na Madam Faith Rukirwe munde ora everetu yare waitumi sana kiretigo mutaaramu wa mantu makwenda mathugano mantu mathomo ora twetha watu eno antu chionde cha juma 5 rukire tuthite na mbere kwa tukeragiria mantu mamiturire yetu mantu matweye dio twingwa na ngakwera tulikane kairi kime kiu kenge ketho kwenda kumweninya Murungu kengo tukaina mbere kwigwa tukiendelea kuthoma na kumenya maingi niuka tinda bwega. Mumero itwakwigire wirane ati kagita konde ntugo chionde
tukenza nkuri enkwego na gukirania mpingo
na kubura mpingero na gukinya ibingithio
kwenjele ibobi ukinyithiria nteto ora cio tukinyela
Moroto wetu na kumenyithia monthe mara makuthina mbere nturani yaku ndeni ya nthiguru na kinya ome ya nthiguru tukinyite mpige kwagirithia wira bobo
Mumero augire oiwoge mpeka mutomwa kuri na nkireba iri na mungenyo niria iri na mwambukirie
no tubo nikio gitumi turi Meru TV twirebete na biashara betu waka karamata turi amwe kumatia uguri na wendia thokone cietu.
Meru TV ni twitite nkathi kwagirithia uthomi na wandiki bwetu kwa nteto turi ruone na mwankali wa ngine cietu cio kamati
kawethira bambitani famina zwa Kimathi watanea nani kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ntugo chionde cha Jumapili
Jumatatu na Jumanne ngikumenyire bora kurikire metha yetu ya ndeto ugoro na chentu chia Jumatano na Aramisi owatane nani turikane kire mubango waturinge emerukire tukirira mangatheti na kumurika bora mugongo othiete na mbere ake agakire Meru TV
Ogwatangira nani Dennis Mutuma ntuko chionde cha Jumatatu na Jumanne ndene nteto cha Meru TV rukiri Nkoroki tochamania ntuko chionde cha Jumatano na Aramisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV ugoro
Watandira na uni tirimbabu kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV muthenya kumenyethia urakuri
Watandira nani Njeri wa Cheupe ntuko chionde cha Juma na Jumamosi ngekuretera nteto cia Meru TV ugoro na ntuko ya Jumapili kiri mubango wa rumuri rwa siasa
Twana ni thari morekeni twana tuye wakwa ini utimiario yakwa antiriri hindi miario ya Yesu akira aritwa bake nko watogeni kiri mubango wa kana kathiri urokuyagira ntugo cionde cia Jumamosi kwambiria thaa 3 cia rukiri mwanka thaa 5 cia rukiri ndeni ya kameme gaku kara wendete muno kathiri FM 101.2 irigiro wa Meru nani ndereba waku Aunt Lili
Anuiji no waraniri no bichichia Meru TV na Theri FM ukaiwa kule no ntobote okugwiria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone na ndi no utume maoni yaku gukurokira email yetu iriani merutvcomplaintcenter@gmail.com kana turingire thimu gukurokira 0114 190 962 Meru TV kionere mwanya
African princess tulianza zamani
muga muthikeria nubui
kwikugwatogeni kiri mubango jwa aliotetheke
aza tukaria jatwengie
tuthomithanie
tutarane
na tugambanie
na nkuruki turume rwimbo
nakupatana na ye
Intuko chionde cha kiumia kwambiria Jumatatu mwanka Juma
kwambiria thenya chungwa mwanka tha mugwanja cha kithaa
ugwatanite na uni kikiwa mrugo
nani ukambita kiokora Phineas
ugakurukirwa
nikimwona joto majasho kulowana na data mazima mi mtoto wa mama
Amen, 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 hallelujah, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mathayo 11 kamustari kamirongo iri na inyanya rututu rwa motha ndugatwira atiri ejeni kiri uni bwe na mirigo emirito nani nkomba kuthwa akibonekera kunoka igitariri gutina kuruka rungura riowa Jesu Kristo nawo gweta kiriwe nikenda komba kuthwa agigukamatia mirigo yonde ira mwithirite ugikamatana nayo emirito
ufanye imara agano ufanye imara agano Bwana
watanira na oni dene ya mubango jwa metameta ntuko chonde cha kiumia kwambiria Jumatatu mwenka Juma thaa mugwanja na nusu mwenka thaa 10 tugwatanire twakane na oni kamwathani
Mumero itwakwigire wirane ati kagita konthe ntuko chionthe
tukenja nkuri enkwego na gukirania mpingo
na kubura mpingiro na gukinya ibigithio
kwenjera ibobi gukinyithiria nteto ora cio tukinyira
moroto wetu na kumenyithia monthe mara makuthi na mbere nturani yaku ndeni ya nthiguru na kinya ome ya nthiguru tukinyite mpige kwagirithia bubu
Mumiru augire waigwa mpe kamutomwa kuri na nkireba iri na mungenyo niria iri na mwambukirie
no tubo nikio gitumi turi Meru TV twirebete na biashara betu waka karamata turi amwe kumatia uguri na wendia thokone cietu.
Meru TV ni twitete nkathi kwagirithia uthomi na wandiki bwetu bwa nteto turi ruone na mwankali wa ng'ine cietu cio kamati
kawethire bambitani Famina wa Kimathi watanea nani kirimetha yetu ya ntheto ntuko chionthe cha Jumapili, Jumatatu na Jumaine ngikumenyire bora kuri kirimetha yetu ya ntheto ugoro na cyo ntuko cha Jumatano na Aramisi owatanea nani turikane kiri mubango waturinge emerukiri tukiritha mangatheti na kumurika bora mugongo othiete na mbere ake agakiri Meru TV
ogwatanira nani Dennis Mutuma ntuko chionthe cha Jumatatu na Jumanne ndene ya nteto cha Meru TV rukiri nkoroki tochamania ntuko chionthe cha Jumatano na Aramisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV ogoro
watanira na uni tirimbabu kuma Jumatatu mwanka Aramisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV muthenya kumenyethia urakuri
watanira nani Njeri Cheupe ntuko chionthe cha Juma na Jumamosi ngikuretera nteto cia Meru TV ugoro na ntuku ya Jumapili kiri mubango lwa rumuri rwa siasa.
Twana ni thari morekeni twana tuye wakwa ini utimiario yakwa antiriri hindi miario ya Yesu hakira aritwa bake nko watogeni kiri mubango wa kana kathiri uroko yagira ntugo chionthe cia Jumamosi kwambiria thaa 3 cia rukiri mwanka thaa 5 cia rukiri ndeni ya kameme gaku kara wendete muno Kathiri FM 101.2 irigiro wa Meru nani ndereva waku Aunt Lili
Anuije no waranire no bichichia Meru TV na There FM okaiwa kuri nonto bote okugweria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone na ndi no tume maoni yaku gukorokira email yetu eriani merutvcomplaintcenter@gmail.com kana turingire thimo gukorokira 0114 190 962 Meru TV chionere mwanya.
African princess tulianza zamani
muga muthikiria nugui
kwikugwatogeni kiri mubango jwa aliotetheke
ata tukaria jatwengie
tuthomithanie
tutarane
na tugambanie
na nkuruki turume rwimbo
nakupatana naye
intuko chionthe cha kiumia kwambiria Jumatatu mwanka Juma
kwambiria thenya chungwa mwankata mugwanje cha kithaa
ugwatanite na uni kikiwa mrugo
nani ukambita kiokora Phineas
ugakurukirwa
nikimwona joto majasho kulowana na data mazima mi mtoto wa mama
Amen, amen, amen. Hallelujah. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mathayo 11 kamustari ka 28 rutoto rwa motha ndugatwira atiri ejeni kiri uni bwe na mirigo emerito nani ngomba kuthwa akibonekera kunoka igitariri gutina kuruka rungura riowa Jesu Kristo nawo gweta kiriwe nikenda ngomba kuthwa agigukamatia mirigo yonde ira mwithirite ugikamatana nayo emerito
ufanye imara agano ufanye imara agano, Bwana, Bwana.
Watanira na oni dene ya mubango jwa metameta ntuko chonde cha kiumia kwa mbiria Jumatatu mwenka juma thaa mugwanja na nusu mwenka thaa 10. Tugwatanire twakane na oni kamwadani.
Music. Mora Modern Music.
Mutanosia sio miembe gorunte manyokwe. Mwarose sio miembe gorweye te yabau. Mutanosia sio miembe gorunte manyokwe. Mwarose sio miembe gorweye te yabau.
Wethera woni ndete byakwa kamburetie mbesa siakwa kinya wethera ninge kundwa kamburetie mbesa baba wona ngegoria yo mwiro dakaro rido antuanetie dringi nenge ai dringi nenge aende muria byakwa suba yisi yakwa kinya ngarira nekwa na mukoyo nokwa aende muria byakwa woni suba yisi yakwa kinya ngarira nekwa na mukoyo nokwa mutanosia mbegurweye te banyukwe marosia mbegurweye te yababa mutanosia mbegurweye te banyukwe marosia mbegurweye te yababa
Ukona ndaibanga ndaikunja kandhamite yarambonete mtokwa ntisokete Murungu kwanokwa Murungu kunwaku Baine Inyoge durante ta kanisene ntionkoma Baite kindama tunguire Nintobia kwa ibiakwa Nintobia kwa ibiaku Ntekwenda musetho mwangene Ukare akuri otiona Kinyoka inotiona Bahala iotiona Kinyoka unotiona Mutanosia sio miembe gorunte banyukwe Mwarose sio miembe gorweye te yabau Mutanosia sio miembe gorunte banyukwe Mwarose sio miembe gorweye te yabau
Woi nando reka nguire wale gurita nguibo ya witomete okare athina
Endie makala kana makara dhimandoroko thela yanguku kiosarenda ukauneru ukororeka sio mieburu
Woi nando reka nguire wale gurita nguibo ya witomete okare athina
Endie makala kana makara dhimandoroko thela yanguku kiosarenda ukauneru ukororeka sio mieburu
Mutanosia mbegurweye te banyukwe Marosia mbegurweye te yababa Mutanosia mbegurweye te banyukwe Marosia mbegurweye te yababa
Gaitia Roger Kena mande Ndagitare gwendaitha Ombite makambe Mwaki jorende na juu Kinyao kia jana kiugeri Tena mbesa siya maju Tokari unge kadageri Ndiwa gutonya ku ningebye mbondambara watakinyamaru twine siento kangara ende narwa igwe mitakeva mwande kumande mwanka egoro jakankwigwa kengwete ongwata mwerema ontonga tongana migwa jasimama ongwata mwerema ontonga tongana migwa jasimama tiro iyo mborokero ma na joke unenkere bionde baigwe gindi mapema wike garo ombere ura wendete ndigwa gutonya ku ningebye mbondambara watakinyamaru twine siento kangara ende narwa igwe mbitakeva mwande kumande mwanka egoro jakankwigwa kengwete ongwata mwerema ontonga tongana migwa jasimama ongwata mwerema ontonga tongana migwa jasimama
Awe itakwate.
Ako the president of single mothers.
Hey.
Single parents temugira. Okadekera.
Awe ma. Era gatwana mama ngatogonera rugonora tene. Ambera gatwana mama ngatogonera rugonora tene. Keri marimo na mto shaka gitojo kajige roka mankura na shiare. Mbera gatwana mama gatogonera rugonoro atene. Mbera gatwana mama gatogonera rugonoro atene. Keri marimo na mto shaka gitojo kajige roka mankura na shiare. Mama gwenga kara de orore na gloria bibinge gwena koro endi
Indagado kokoremia ndakinyogoro nkederaba katonya kwako mama nikaendokera otuko namenoga ya tuko katonya kwako mama.
Agwente ukulia kode arete wana baba ku
watuka gweno kerero na byoria bite na modia. Watuka gweno kerero na byoria bite na modia. Agwente ukulia kamani are yangi notu ana toto wako.
Watuka gweno kerero na bioria bite na modia. Watuka gweno kiriro na bioria bite na modia.
Decent music.
Yeah. 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 Uyanda wasibitari mantu yare tetiatari manda itari fane kwanza wate nyonyo kale kwendinto mbale mbale kwanza ote kwenda iko jale kwendinto mbale mbale mwanko kwa luka ukale kweri kodha nkongi kweta sio kongwa kubole ninge kwa siya mbeso tiomba kwenda ngoika mwale weto na kukuria mbesa kweta siya juu undi atari kedi siya musore siya dhairu wa morale atari nukuona noka Kenya bwana yuko bambesa nukuona noka China bwana yosa ina mbesa nukuona noka baba kwa lulu sponsor nukuona noka miunde kwa luka play faster utumranga mbaya kwanza nonto nokuweza ukasa kasi twana tuankia noto mundia mimba usiedia pasta kienda kwanza sana watambesa mwanasiasi sibona musara sawa natyo kuyambesa tutienda kuona kwetu bebo fale amaruki bwana tutienda kuona kwetu leli yaka tote kwana utumbo tusturitisi so bibiro yote mwido utumbo tuire yona inyote kuwa tueta ku kwanza ikaba kwaria oma koyenya muka imromo bwana kutienda kinchuma tote kwenda ikunyira kiturienda kuria notieria na inyabake ya kutweria tote yako ile basokia batumba kwende miunda alafu benja mauta basoka beyo twira ayo tembesa tukuona okuthoni kwe mtu wira sumona kirara ampara okuthoni kwe mtu wira sumona igara malanza wari mandu kimenso te kubukanya kele siso uwa wathura saneta weya ninya sibo ainjire no keo njire na yo no peu ngori kama meru atura enkia mukeu bete bonde beje baibwe bete bawe bere bakire beje berwe bete baisie atumurike nyato miri baraba kuthenja ngire ngwisi nusi yankoro bana tisio tonga mwiri urete mbobo kathia na nyabu kenja mibuongo orongo bote yoto mami toro oboyoro awo mtu kurika mutewe na kiri sawa nokubunyando ni ukiwa ayo tembura yete barikio bwera na tio tuko ya menja kila kimu isia wenjo na kiaku ibwa nkemba wata una kala tala monka mirongwena yakuya kudira tukuya kumenya kwa dosemba kinyawa tuya sana na kinyoka besa na kinyawa tumira wadhifa bwa musiaza mbaya na kinyawa tuya monka watora tutaku wata menyera kwena lana na no monke ya kuwata
mapenzi yangu mimi na wewe kila siku niwe na wewe nikupendo sije nitende my baby mapenzi yangu mimi na wewe kila siku niwe na wewe nikupendo sije nitende my baby wendongwa tanjara tutegwa toke baba totharime togake musie jwe totore amwe wendongwa tanjara tutegwa toke baba totharime togake musie jwe totore amwe niwe na wewe nisife moyo wangu wote nao nikupe watoto nao mitu nikupe yote nikupe niwe na wewe nisife moyo wangu wote nao nikupe watoto nao mitu nikupe yote nikupe nikupende nikupende kwenda garonde walai tuko sionde nowe my guy tena nashukuru Adonai kwa kunipa we yeah Bere bonde kinya sore baku mantoja toja kobwa yeah to better more no me to gwera ne rokia ge kobwa I wanna love you till I die obike kwa njori ndio menyage we nani ngatanjara tutania mwe magita jonde tungi hani ne weni kwenda I wanna love you till I die obike kwa njori ndio menyage we nani ngatanjara tutania mwe magita jonde tungi hani ne weni kwenda yeah ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love mini wako baby bara batendeta kutona toremwe batone bara batendeta kutona watone wakome nitacheka nawe tukusionde nitaringa nawe nitacheka nawe tukusionde nitaringa nawe I wanna love you till I die obike kwa njori ndio menyage we nani ngatanjara tutania mwe magita jonde tungi hani ne weni kwenda I wanna love you till I die obike kwa njori ndio menyage we nani ngatanjara tutania mwe magita jonde tungi hani ne weni kwenda yeah ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love nitacheka nawe tukusionde nitaringa nawe nitacheka nawe tukusionde nitaringa nawe ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love ote wonge no sweetie ote wonge my baby love Records. Decent music.
Filim Kali. Takeke Meru. Yo.
Zeye kuidhugwira utiwa temwete meronge nyama ioma tevo kuna moyo tweturo ciurie monka tucione ioma uteo ciarie nabio nabuonka we nabio arare thina ioma ndenda kuwa atiri obuonko kiroka wita kurio te acia ioma twire kuibonka ina monka ntukumo gwitite ne bumbone ioma twire kuria na tembethe kiambine kameme ne bumbibwe ioma wokuria rankiria na nkanyo menye irwimbo rwenguine ioma ukothia mtu wina ngari akimiura impempe akacia ioma mtwire kura ngari na muromo na thina inyaba isikiri kandi miure mbere umione mbere no tunyonyi yumbuka kiremeretie ioma ioma pio ioma ioma pio ioma ioma pio ioma pio maisha jabange nonto ndareka yambanga ngatura kurira thina ioma tukuyi internet chita chomba iriuria form ikawa form ne kuruba kuru wakinya monki na wage muka ioma nawe sile queen wenda mbesa pio monko kila mianka weto tongokania na makuka ukaria ranthaka sikurea ioma mutane ibiawe na ringi mutane ikwawe kaba moye wene komisaitie mutane wetanjirani atene nyaki yori ioma nawe moe koronguto ewe ito moe koronchunko kwenda kumenya ikwarire nkorongo iwate ito ioma ioma pio ioma ioma pio ioma ioma pio
ene bata ndikura thunku mote ukata ioma mwana mwitonga no muthini nkwiro maitu bate ananua ioma kinya muntu wengari norawe na mauru bate kinyaniria ioma na kasui kanguku kamenya kuthele ikakengawa ioma mukoti kulika musiarera twana nikaengawa ioma nawe mukuru kuleva ndili kwake musika urawa ioma ioma pio 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 ioma ioma ioma
Patongi tanda kaintamboroku mero yetu ni dharimi na mitisha kedaka nyoni midemba yonde na mude tu munoru adoni yange ni mero bono dongi ba mero tegoro ya iriana na insu tegoro ya kedarimo adoni yange ni mero bono dongi ba mero tegoro ya iriana na insu tegoro ya kedarimo mumemba wa mero turenda ngwataniro natwarage mugambo yomwe tontigiri mumero ne mumero kaumogeto ne mbawa ute mwana wake kana wa mugongo kera koramba mero mero totoria ngwataniro ngwataniro adoni yange ni mero bono dongi ba mero tegoro ya iriana na insu tegoro ya kedarimo adoni yange ni mero bono dongi ba mero tegoro ya iriana na insu tegoro ya kedarimo kedaka na nyoni midemba yonde pero ne odongi bato pero adoni yange ni mero ono dongi ba mero pero ya na insu pero kedarimo adoni yange ni mero ono dongi ba mero pero ya na insu pero kedarimo adoni yange ni mero
inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene okankwinye modoni okankwinye otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakamwena emodoni nakamwena otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakaukange monyanya nakaukange otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene twende chini modoni twende chini otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene okankwinye mochiari okankwinye otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene okankwinye motori okankwinye otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakamwena emochiari nakamwena otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakaukange mochiari nakaukange otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene karo kemi emochiari karo kemi otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene okankwinye ngino mware okankwinye otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene okankwinye dhamware okankwinye otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakamwena inondaka nakamwena otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene nakaukange dondaka nakaukange otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene twende chini nginondaka twende chini otekaugyo tera inagwa kanyere kainagwa ane mwene kanyere kainagwa ne mwene kainagwa ne mwene kainagwa aya nderaigirwe bakiurania na kiatho gito ikiriku nderaigirwe bakiurania na kiatho gito ikiriku nikio giki urio kuga tikio nikio giki urio kuga tikio nikio nderaigirwe bakiurania ageni beto ibariku nderaigirwe bakiurania ageni beto ibariku aya nderaigirwe bakiurania ageni beto ibariku nderaigirwe bakiurania ageni beto ibariku nebo baba urio kuga tebo nebo baba urio kuga tebo nebo bakiurania na rwimbo rwetu iruriku nderaigirwe bakiurania na rwimbo rwetu iruriku aya nderaigirwe bakiurania na rwimbo rwetu iruriku nderaigirwe bakiurania na rwimbo rwetu iruriku nerururu urio kuga teru nerururu urio kuga teru nekaba turarete muchuju kwina nekaba turarete muchuju kwina rwimbo nderaigirwe bakiurania na nchenga chetu niriku nderaigirwe bakiurania na nchenga chetu niriku aya nderaigirwe bakiurania na nchenga chetu niriku nderaigirwe bakiurania na nchenga chetu niriku nechio iji urio kuga techo nechio iji urio kuga techo nechio nderaigirwe bakiurania kamano geto ikariku nderaigirwe bakiurania kamano geto ikariku aya nderaigirwe bakiurania kamano geto ikariku nderaigirwe bakiurania kamano geto ikariku nekogaka urio kuga teko nekogaka urio kuga teko nekaba turarete muchuju kwina rwimbo nekaba turarete muchuju kwina rwimbo Ndakasya mwathani egaturombe eromba mwathani eromba baba eromba mwathani etharimo akoro nekoro egaturombe eromba mwathani eromba baba eromba mwathani etharimo nankatha cia mbiro egaturombe eromba mwathani eromba baba eromba mwathani etharimo netoba mambura egaturombe eromba mwathani eromba mwathani etharimo tekankwina ninka egaturombe itu eromba mwathani eromba mwathani etharimo teraigwa rukemi egaturombe